Hello, in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to manually install WordPress in your cPanel via File Manager. Please note, you can install WordPress easily in your cPanel using Softaculous app installer. I will leave a link to this tutorial in the description. But if for some reason you prefer to do this manually, you can follow this tutorial. My name is Isaac from StormerHost. Let's get started. Download the WordPress package to your local computer from wordpress.org/download. First, you have to download the WordPress files to your local computer from wordpress.org/download. Unzip the downloaded file to a folder on your local computer. Now let's first check the website files I want to upload to my hosting account from this folder on my PC. I want to make this website accessible online via the website address shostdemo.com. We have a tutorial on how to purchase affordable hosting plans from StormerHost. If you don't have one yet, I will put the link in the description below. Let's check the website address shostdemo.com before the upload. We can see the website opens but there's no content. To begin the upload, first select and compress or zip the WordPress files. Note, compress the files in a .zip archive format. Log into your cPanel. Scroll down to the File section and select File Manager. The File Manager section opens. Select public_HTML directory in the directories listed. Now select Upload on the top left menu. The File Upload section opens. Click Select File to upload your website files. You can also drag and drop the zip file. Click on the folder you want to upload the files from and select the zip file you want to upload. Wait for the file to finish loading and click Go back to Home. Your website files are successfully uploaded, but it has been zipped. To unzip it, right-click on the zip file and select Extract. A pop-up window opens. Click Extract Files. Your website files are successfully extracted. Now let's create a database for the WordPress website. Go back to your cPanel. Scroll down to Database and click on My SQL Database. My SQL Database section opens. Create a new database for your website. In this tutorial, I will name my database shostde1_text. Scroll down and create a username and password for the database. After that, scroll down and add user to the database by selecting Add. This takes you to the Manage User Privileges page. Check All Privileges checkbox and then click on Make Changes. Now, reload page if already opened, or open a new tab and enter your domain name. Choose the language you want and click Continue. Select Let's Go to proceed. Enter your details in the fields provided. Copy and paste the database name, username and password you created in your cPanel. Select Submit to proceed. Click on Run the installation. This takes you to the welcome page. Enter your details in the text field provided for site title, username, password, and your email. Note, you will use these details to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. After that, click Install WordPress to install WordPress on your website. You will receive a success notification after installation. Select Login to proceed to your WordPress admin dashboard. Enter your username or email address and password provided. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now open a new tab and enter your domain name. Your WordPress website is live now. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.